Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to be showing you our no contact keychain.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to be working with our polymer keychain. This is a no contact keychain that we have here. So it's perfect for touching doors or elevators, ATMs, touchless screens with this keychain. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our print in Photoshop and we printed on the SG500. All right, we're gonna tape it on there using thermal tape. Okay, we're gonna press this at 384 for 100 seconds. We will cover it with our rubber mat. And we have light pressure. Okay, we're gonna remove this immediately. And we're gonna let it cool for a few seconds. And then we're gonna do the opposite side.
And it is a good idea to press both sides just in case it does bow. Sometimes that is common with polymer items. So even if you don't have an image, try to just tack it down for the time and then you're ready to go.
Okay, same process for the second side. Okay, again, you're going to want to remove this immediately.
And there you go. You have one personalized no contact keychain. And again, it does come with a the keychain part, so you can definitely apply that to the middle piece that is in here. So we do have product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. See you next time.